tune-up game mo with therapy mo?
Okay naman po. Siyempre hindi ako po satisfied. We have yet to get a win, but siguro itong mga games naman po namin, we're just trying to, well, personally, mas natututunan ko parang naman yung sistema nila. So, yun, ako naman just everyday show up lang and just keep working naman po. Pero, yun, so far naman, okay naman po. You know, you see some hope, di ba? Kaya, yung team naman po namin, kaya naman po namin makipag-compete. So hopefully yung import po namin, makatulong rin po sa amin.
Kamusta yung mga nakakalaban mo nung convert sila, Balti, sila Rana, ngayon si Bo?
Okay naman po, yun, nakikita ko po na ko po kailangan i-work on sa sarili ko. Siyempre yung mga nakakalaban po natin dito sa PBA, the best of the best eh. Kumaga, hindi naman yung tipong mga basta-basta lang. Like, they're really dominant. So ako, I have to work on myself to get stronger. Pero yeah, everything so far good naman po kasi positive naman po siya. Kasi I get to see what I need to work on and yung kaus naman po yung mga trainers ko kung what I can do.
Okay, kamusta naman kasi siyempre yung galing ka sa Abra, just won a championship. Now you're with Terra Firma na, well, it's a fact naman na medyo struggling sila. So, ano lang yung, kamusta naman yung ganong transition?
Ako naman po, ini-enjoy ko naman po. Yun, like what you said, our team, we're struggling, di ba? Pero siguro ko, for me, I see it like in a positive way lang naman, you know. Since we're struggling na, there's so much room for improvement and for us to get better. And kami naman po, hindi naman po namin siya ni-rush, you know, like we just take one game at a time, one practice at a time. And I can see naman na, yun, the team's really working. And so hopefully itong season po, mawala na po yung stigma na puro kami sa baba.
How about parang being put on a larger role here kasi based sa tune-up parang talagang malaki yung papel mo sa opensa ninyo. So ano lang yung thoughts mo dun sa role na yun?
Yung role ko naman po, mainly is just to defend, get rebounds, defend yung mga imports. Yung offense naman po parang bonus na lang po yan. But I'm working on it. Yung role ko dito medyo malaki nga po siya than what I'm used to, but yun, yung mga coaches ko naman po, they really help me a lot, you know, just help me change my mindset, and so far naman, they've been helping me so much, and yun, feel ko I just need to gain more confidence ng po talaga instead.
Kayo, there's been talk of yung mga arrival ng mga big imports. Kayo, may big import kayo, pero like yung nga, si Bolbol nasa TET, then Deguara daw sa Macau. Sir Toson facing not only the best of the best big men local sa PBA, but some of the tallest imports sa conference.
Siguro for me, I think that's a challenge for all the local bigs too. Kasi ngayon na wala na pong mga height limits sa import, I think that's parang challenge po yun di ba? And for me, ako gusto ko yung challenge na gano'n. Mahirapan, basta alam mo yun, parang kumbaga, mas okay na mahirapan kaysa sa relax ka lang po, di ba? Hindi ko masabi relax yung mga PBA, but like what I mean is, ngayon na we have 7-6 imports, di ba? Like, that's a challenge, and as a rookie, that's what I want, di ba? Like, challenge. And yun, we just embrace it. Yeah.
May plano ka na ba how to defend the likes of Bolbol and Deguara?
We'll get there. Siguro ngayon, wala pa po masyado, pero si Sam naman, I played with Sam. He's with my teammate. So hopefully he'll go chill on me. But yun, ako naman po, I'll just take this. Ito, ngayon, I'm working on myself more with the team. So yung mga we'll face it na lang when we cross the bridge na siguro.
How about facing the 9-time MVP this conference?
Oh yun, exciting po yun. I'm excited to play against him. Alam ko mahihirapan po ako, but you know, like what I said earlier, there's a challenge na I wanna take, and for sure na po na matutunan from them, and hindi na ba ako pababayaan ng mga teammates ko and coaches ko, like for sure tutulungan rin naman po nila ako, so yeah, exciting.